Welcome back to the Azure AI Foundry video series. In this video, we'll walk through the Foundry portal and set up your first project. The Foundry portal, available at ai.azure.com, is organized into four main navigation areas. The Explore section lets you browse the model catalog, test models and playgrounds, and discover project templates. The Build section is where you create projects, configure agents, and manage deployments. The Operate section provides monitoring dashboards, trace viewers, and production workload management. And the Management section is where you configure role-based access control, networking, policies, and billing. Before you can build anything, you need to create a Foundry resource in Azure. This is a single Azure resource that replaces the previous architecture, which required separate Hub, Azure OpenAI, and Azure AI Services resources. To create one, sign into the Azure portal at portal.azure.com, search for Microsoft Foundry, and select Create. Choose your subscription, resource group, and Azure region, then configure your networking preference, either a public endpoint or a private endpoint for enhanced security. Review the settings and create the resource. It will be ready in just a few minutes. Once your Foundry resource is ready, you can create projects within it. Each project is a fully isolated workspace with its own resources, access controls, and monitoring. A project contains model deployments with individual quota and configuration, agent definitions and conversation history, data connections to storage and knowledge bases, evaluation datasets and results, and monitoring dashboards. Projects support role-based access control and can be cloned or versioned for reproducibility. Connecting your code to Foundry is straightforward with the Unified Project Client. Install the Azure-AI-Projects package using pip, then create a client with your project endpoint and Azure credentials. From that single client, you can access models, agents, tools, evaluations, and monitoring, all through one consistent interface. In the next video, we'll explore the model catalog in depth, covering the 1,900+ AI models available from leading providers. Thanks for watching.